from Keokee, Virginia. I always looked at welding. I thought it would be cool. I was kind of iffy on going to college in the first place. Came and toured the school. Everybody I talked to was really encouraging and really nice. And one of the best decisions I've ever made to come to college. I love it so far. The whole stigma of women can't be in blue-collar fields, women becoming more common in the industry is helping that go away some. And now I feel comfortable taking up space in the welding shop. I'm an artist, so I like to create things with the metal, and that's a new type of art to me compared to just pencil and paper. I went for it and I love it, and I'm excited to see where I'll go with it. To anybody who wanted to look into welding, I would say go for it. I found my answer at a Virginia community college.